Here at Airblast, we understand owning a blast facility or a blast machine isn't for every business. So we looked into all the requests for hire that we've received, selected our favourite products, and here's what's available to hire for you. Our 20-foot all-in-one containerised blast room, our Redline blast pot range, the mighty AB 1070 and the Ductomatic blast machines. But if you're ready to go now, you can check out the website, download a tech sheet, or even book a quote. But if you want to know more, stay tuned. First up, Airblast's all-in-one 20-foot blast container, our most asked for hire item this year, and no wonder. This mobile facility packs a punch when it comes to efficient blasting. Available on short or long-term hire, you get a whole 6-metre blast space with fully integrated dust extraction and a vacuum media reclamation system. And if you want to know more about that system, check out the abrasive recovery pages on our website. This blast facility has a built-in service and tool room with a rubber-lined swing door, purpose-built blast roof, LED lighting, and an interlock on the door for safety. Importantly, we know that a lot of you don't have indoor space for a blast facility, which is just as well because this one is weatherproof and can live outside or wherever's most convenient for you. We deliver them, set them up, give you full operator training before we leave. Each container comes with a 100-litre Redline blast pot, a blast helmet and breathing filter so you can get blasting safely straight away. Pricing, service intervals, air and power requirements are all detailed in your quote. Next up, our Redline blast pot range. 4 sizes, all available on short or long-term hire. Let's take a closer look. Redline blast pots really deliver great value for money on hire. These single-chamber blast machines are made to meet exacting industry standards. All our Redline pots come with a moisture trap to prevent oil and water from getting into the pot. Check out our insider film on moisture traps if you want to know more about that feature. The link's on your screen now. When you hire a blast pot, you'll also get everything you need to start blasting from the get-go, including a blast hose with dead man lines, a breathing line, a blast helmet, a 2-man breathing filter, and a 5/16 tungsten nozzle. These machines are highly maneuverable. They all have a handle and rugged wheels to let you transport them and move them easily into position. All the technical detail you need is available as a download on the blast pot hire page, including capacity, system pressure, dimensions, hose options, and weight. Just click the blast machine hire box below or follow the link on the screen now. And as soon as you're ready for a quote, complete our contact form. I want to mention at this point that if you're new to blasting, we can train you, whether that's a one-to-one session or classroom training for a team. Just get in touch with our sales team for more information on training. We can add that as a bolt-on to your hire quote. And finally, our vacuum blast machines. First up, the AB 1070. Now this is a powerful vacuum blast machine. It's easy to use as it's a vacuum blaster. It doesn't create dust. So if you need to work in an environment controlled area or close proximity to other production processes, you might want to look at this. It doesn't matter what shape surface you're blasting because the 1070 comes with a large range of interchangeable blast head fittings, including flat, inside and outside corners, and small and large diameter pipes. This is a standalone unit with its own dust extraction and abrasive recycling systems. It's fully pneumatic and can work at a range of different pressures. A standard 15-metre hose is included, but we can add extensions up to 35 metres if needed. There's lots more information about the AB 1070, including a tech sheet on our website. Just follow the vacuum blast machine link to find out more. The Ductomatic is a small closed-circuit blast machine designed for confined spaces. This little machine weighs just 3 kilos and has a 360-degree swiveling blast head for access to awkward shapes. It comes with 6 different shaped attachment heads and only needs 33 to 60 CFM compressed air. As before, if you're ready for a quote, just use the contact form on each of our hire pages or get in touch by emailing hire@airblast.co.uk. We deliver our blast machines to you as we do all our hire machines, all detailed in your quote together with operator manuals, data sheets and service intervals for long-term hire. We're always looking to add to our hire range here at Airblast, so if there's a particular machine you're interested in, please let us know and we'll try to add it to our range. But in the meantime, safe blasting and we'll see you soon.